in nature are visible regularities in the natural world.
Plato, Pythagoras, and Empedocles and other early Greek philosophers studied patterns to explain order in nature, which lead to the modern understanding of visible patterns.
Here are some examples of patterns.
Oscillations or cleavings are ratio of shape both repeated together, especially the polygons repeated pattern without gaps or overlap. Example, blocks, origami, and the last is spots. Fractals are easily found in nature. These objects display self-similar structure over an extended but finite scale range. Examples of fractals are broccoli, snowflakes, and clouds.
Spiral. A spiral is a curved pattern that focuses on the center point and a series of circular shapes that revolve around it. For example, the DNA and the stream of milk.
Bubbles are small balls of air or gas in a liquid. For example, soap drinks and soap.
Waves are the sinusoidal ones in which each point in the field experience simple harmonic motion. Here are the examples: air, sounds, and water.
And those are the examples of patterns.